kids should sit in front, so they should sit in back because there are 3 seats for passengers. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 seats, so the last passenger can sit over here. We have a last seat. I should go in the back of the car to check something. Yeah, so I'm in the back of a car.
So what will you do there?
To fasten my seatbelt.
How will you fasten your seatbelt?
First, you should find the seatbelt, and if you found the seatbelt, you should not pull it up. Just pull it like this. And now, find this book. Now, find the buckle.
A few inches later.
And buckle.
Is that how you will fasten your seatbelt?
Yeah, fasten seatbelts. Keep your safe if you don't
So,
throw.
why should we fasten our seatbelt?
Because if you did not fasten your seatbelt, it will bring you throwing you out, and you'll get an accident, and you'll be at the hospital.
Wow.
And that's why you have to fasten your own seatbelts
Wow.
and you'll be safe.
Wow.
Two seatbelts are car safe. So it's only for 5 people that live.
So is seatbelt only for kids?
No.
Is it for everybody?
Yeah, for family and kids.
So meaning all of those who are alighted should wear.
This is for baby, and this is for kids, and this is for parents.
Ooh.
And a lot of them are so good to see, and we're ready to go.
Ooh.
Oh, first you should then fasten your seatbelts. Find all your seatbelts and buckle them up. And don't forget to turn off the lights if you're in a car. And fasten your seatbelt so you can turn off everything. If you want, I'll teach you to turn off the light. First, you should do it like this and do it like this.
Yeah.
And I'll teach you how to push this side.
Okay.
It's coming. We might get out of this car.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Bye, Mom.
Sulaiman, do you want to be taught by Kuya?
Because I cannot get it.
Oh, Kuya will teach you how to fasten your seatbelt. Do you like to see how he
I had
do
a
it?
seatbelt. I don't like it, wrong. But you cannot reach it a little. I'm fastening your seatbelt. I'll go down. Mama, I'm driving. I'm driving. Me too. I'm driving.
Really? What are you doing?
Up and down. Up and up.
You didn't know how to drive it.
Hi guys, I'm Lucky. Guys, invite your parents to me and ask me if you want your Paw Patrol t-shirt. I will ask my dad to give you them all and all the money. You got it, guys. Bye-bye. Bye.